Hi, I'm Keith Harris with LENSEC. I wanted to show you one of my favorite features in Perspective VMS. ShareView is a collaborative tool that allows users to send a view arrangement of cameras streaming in PVMS to other users on the system. Even more productive is the ability to share an exact view of archived video with another user. Jeff Kellick explains how users can collaborate using ShareView in PVMS.
ShareView definitely is in the top 5. And what's great about this is, let's say that I'm working in archives, okay? And so maybe I'm in archives here, and I go through this whole timeline, and I figure out, where the bad guy is, and I zoom in, use the slider, figure out exactly what I'm looking for, and I click this particular period of time, okay? So maybe right here, maybe I needed to show that there was nothing in the field of view on this camera at 7:46 a.m., and I fast forward a little bit, and I bring this camera up to 7:46 and 7:47:46. So now there's two options. If I want to convey that information to Keith, Keith is sitting there. He's trying to write up this report. I say, hey Keith, go to camera BP1F24 right at 7:46 and 28 seconds, and then also go to camera BP1F22 right at 7:47:46. It's a lot of information to convey. That's just two cameras, right? And then he's got to try and get it right to that point to get what I'm trying to tell him. Well, you could do that, or you could just hit share view. And when you hit the share view, it says, well, who do you want to share this view with? And I'll say Keith. So I'll just start typing in Keith. And he'll share that view now with Keith. And I'll say, this is, this was our training. And, priority normally, how it's going to flag in Outlook, and then whatever the message was that I want to send to him, it'll send a message. It'll show up down here in the share view areas, but I can also push that share view immediately to Keith, override whatever he's doing, and force this view upon him, or just have him prompt that it will navigate to him and say, hey, when you're done doing whatever you're doing, do you want to view this view? Or none, and it'll just go into this queue down here as shared views. So a lot of uses for this. One, the scenario I just mentioned about conveying information, right? That's a rapid way to do it. Another way to do it is you've got a reception desk, you've got a monitor up there, you've got the keyboard and mouse kind of hidden away from that desk because you don't really want to kind of pull it out each time you want to make a change. So you can make a change on your workstation of the live view you want to show and push it to that reception desk. And again, you can push that view immediately, so it'll override whatever's there. I could do that right now. I could send the view to that command view downstairs and push this view directly on. Okay. And then the other way that's really neat is sending something for yourself. Like you're building out this, you want to show, you got to write your report, but it's 5 o'clock and we'll go home. You can just save this, you can send it to yourself, and it'll end up showing in your share views. So you can quickly navigate back to it, kind of like just a work in progress. This is where I was, this is what I was looking at, bring that back up, come back to it the next day. So the share view is really neat in kind of those multiple facets for that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll share this with Keith. And now Keith will have that for him. It'll be in his folder for when he goes back home.
Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to learn more about Perspective VMS, visit our website at lensec.com.